Hey YouTubers, this is comparing real hamburgers with Beyond Burgers. This is how I doctor up the real hamburger with some seasoning. I like to put it into the meat and mix it all up together. And I gotta add my sriracha sauce because it's the good stuff. Then I just blend it. This is how I always make my regular burgers. And I think it tastes better when you get the seasonings into the meat, and plus I don't like messy burgers. So once I get this all mixed up, and the Beyond Burger's just gonna get a little seasoning, nothing like this. I'm gonna cook them both out on my grill. And this is again RV-ish, RV-able kind of meals and stuff. But it's important to mix it up, but not over mix it. You don't want to break the fat content down. And I think I make pretty decent burgers. And then I'm gonna try to form them so they look like real patties. And I spray down this burger press. Makes it a lot easier to press them into good burgers. Comes out good. And don't be afraid to use Pam on this. It works great. Makes it a lot easier. A little bit more slickery. The Pam makes it easier, and use it on each burger each time you press one.
Alright, so these are third-pound burgers.
I don't know if it makes them taste better, but they sure look better. And a little bit more seasoning to go on them just to match the Beyond Burgers out there and take it out to the grill. But first I gotta have corn, so I started the corn while I was doing all this stuff, getting the burgers ready. For a while now, the only way I do corn is I soak it about 20 minutes in the husk, and then I put it straight on the grill. It comes out awesome. You just, it can be hot, so be careful. What an amazing day. And then cook the corn for about 20 minutes in the husk.
Move the corn around.
For me, I move it about every 5 minutes. I kind of roll it around in there a little bit to stop it from burning or sticking too bad. And it always turns out really good. I'm serious. This is my favorite way to do corn.
I'm going to take the corn off. Let that cool. Now we're going to put the burgers on, the real burgers. More chipotle on it. Okay, we'll be back in a second.
I guess I'm showing more than I should, but add a taste of summer.
Check them. They're coming along.
This grill's supposed to smoke like that.
Flip. Now we're going to put the Beyond on.
They really do cook up like real burgers.
There we go. I can put chipotle on there. Again, this is the Char-Broil Grill to Go with the infrared thing where the grill is wavy and it has little slits in it. And when the grease drips down, it vaporizes it so it smokes a lot. This is how it's supposed to work, and I like it. All right, we're going to flip. Smoking up pretty good. I'm going to turn it down a little.
This grill will not flame up, and all that smoke locks in a lot of good flavor. It's a great grill.
Okay, I'm going to eat one of the ears of corn. That's good.
My neighbors like the smells.
It smells so good. Oh, it's coming along.
You can even throw wood chips right on there if you want.
We're going for a solid medium here. Okay, we're going to flip it. turn the grill off. I'll turn the tank off over there. And we got other stuff to do.
These are healthier than real burgers, but it's not health food.
Turn that skillet up. Yeah, I'm making cheese hats. I got it pretty warm. Here we go.
Full disclosure, I stole these from an episode of Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives.
Here we go. 2 cheese hats.
I swear, these really are awesome. And you cook them up sort of like you would a pancake. You just watch for bubbling and flip them when they look ready to flip.
Okay. 1 cheese hat done. Okay. 2 cheese hats done. Still gooey. Turn this off. I'm going to bring the burgers in. Alright, there we go. That is the real burger. That is Beyond Burger. We're going to dress them up some more. I have some Famous Dave's spicy pickles. 3 pickles on there. Trying to do them pretty much the same. They already had the corn. The corn was good. I'm going to get a cheese hat. Woohoo! Oh, look at those beautiful cheese hats.
Again, not healthy, but delicious.
Smiley face. Smiley face. Look pretty hot. With the bun tops on top. Oh, fly into a real burger with cheese hat and pickles under there. Around here and fly into a Beyond Burger with pickles and a cheese hat. Let's taste them. I got another ear of corn to eat too. Okay, real burger first. See it? With the pickle and the cheese hat. That's really good. That's really good.
Might be a little gross, but it sounded as good as it ate.
Second bite of it. That's a good burger. All right, now we're going to go straight for a bite of the Beyond. Same cheese hat. I'm telling you, bite for bite, you can tell the difference. I really do think these are good.
I know a lot of people don't want to, but if you try them, you'll be surprised.
And no cows were harmed in the making of this burger. This harmed a cow. They both taste good. I'm going to go back to the regular burger. That's good. That is very good. Oh, pickle jumped off. Get back in there, you. And now back to the Beyond. Again, I personally think the Impossible is better.
But the Beyond is still good.
Now another bite of the Beyond. I'll just tell you, whichever one you eat, I ain't mad at you. I don't blame you for either of them. This is a little juicier. This is still darn good. I mean, it's good. And again, I made these relatively simple. This had sriracha in with the meat when I put it on. And I put that the seasonings into the meat. On this, I use the same seasonings on the outside. And, I mean, the Beyond is good. But nothing fancy, just pickles. All right, another bite of the real burger. Again, you decide. Eat whatever you want. I think these are a pretty good deal. And I don't, you eat some veggie burgers and you're like, you're eating beans and beets and stuff like that. But with these, it's close enough that it tricks your taste buds. And to me, that's not a bad thing at all. So, hope you enjoyed. I got more corn to eat, and I hope you have a great and wonderful day.